If your plank lasts longer than your favorite song, there's a good chance you're doing it the wrong way. Planks are one of the best exercises for building a strong, stable core that supports every major lift, from squats and deadlifts to pull-ups. But make just one of these 10 common mistakes, and instead of strengthening your core, you're simply wasting your effort. Let's fix that. Mistake number 1, chasing the stopwatch. If your only goal is to hold a plank for as long as possible, you're focusing on the wrong thing. A 3-minute plank with a sagging back and collapsed shoulders isn't impressive, it's poor form. Once your technique breaks down, the exercise loses its value. Instead, master proper form first, then increase the challenge. And the moment your posture starts to fall apart, stop, reset, and perform the next rep with solid technique. Mistake number 2, crossing your hands. It might feel more comfortable, but crossing your hands causes your shoulders to slump, reduces core tension, and makes the plank far less effective. Instead, keep your forearms flat on the floor, press your palms down, and stay tight. Mistake number 3, looking up. Lifting your head throws your spine out of alignment, reduces proper core bracing, and makes the plank less effective. Over time, it can even strain your neck. Instead, keep your head neutral, eyes on the floor, and your spine in a straight line. Mistake number 4, relaxing your core. If you're just holding the position without engaging your abs, you're missing the whole point. Instead, pull your elbows toward your toes to switch on your core. Don't just hold the plank, create full body tension. Mistake number 5, letting your hips drop. When your hips sag and your lower back arches, your abs stop doing their job and your lower back takes over. It may feel easier, but it won't build a stronger core. Instead, keep your legs straight, tighten your quads, squeeze your glutes, and slightly tuck your hips.